everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Barbie Bam Bam. On today's makeup tutorial is going to be on this RnB Heartthrob look, aka Crush ng Bayan na pangwalwalan. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So let's get started and apply the base makeup. So take your primer and smooth it all over your skin. Next, using foundation brush, apply your liquid foundation to cover up all of the discoloration, pimple marks, and all the impurities that you want to cover up, and also to even out your skin color. And don't forget your neck as well. Then buff it out using a flat brush like this. And now, look at my skin. It looks better already. Next step is to add highlights on the face. Use concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your foundation and place it on the areas that you want to highlight. Then use the foundation brush to blend the concealer. On to the next step, use translucent loose powder to set everything. Next is eyebrow. So take the brow pomade in medium brown with thin angled brush and tap the excess products first on the back of your hand before placing it on the eyebrow. Now trace the outline of your eyebrow. Then fill it in. And whatever is left on the brush, apply it on the head of your brow. Then use a spoolie to soften it. Next step, use concealer with a brush and place it on the edges of the eyebrow to sharpen it. Then use your finger to blend it until your eyelid to act as a primer for your eyeshadow. And now moving on to the eye makeup. Combine these two colors together. And with a tapping motion, place it on the lid starting from the center and slowly spread it out all over your eyelid. And with a fluffy brush, take a light brown color and apply it above the first color, blending it out. Then go back with the first color and place it on the outer lid, creating a pointier shape like so. Then go back with the lighter brown color and again place it above the darker brown and brush it out. Then apply darker brown color on the outer third of your lower lash line. And then again, take the lighter shade of brown and brush it on the lower lash line. On to the next step, take the concealer that we used earlier and use it to create the cut crease. And with a tapping motion, place it on the lid starting from the center to the inner corner and slowly create the shape. Then use the cream color to set the concealer. Next, apply the light brown color on the end of the cut crease to blend it on the outer lid. Then use a pointy brush to brush out the color. Then, using pointy brush, take a dark brown color and place it on the outer lid, creating depth. And apply it as well on the outer lower lash line. And whatever is left on the brush, apply it above the crease. And next step is to curl your lashes. Next, using black eyeliner, draw a thin line on the upper lash line. Then draw the outline of your wing and fill it in. Then use black pencil liner and really fill in the lash line until you don't see skin color. Next, false eyelashes. First, place the adhesive on the band and wait for a few seconds and place it on the lash line. Then pinch the falsies and your lashes together. And to combine it even more, apply mascara. And apply generous amount on the lower lashes. And to really balance out the eye, use precision liner to draw fake lower lashes like this. And with champagne shimmery eyeshadow, highlights the inner corners of your eyes and also on the brow bone. And moving on to the face color. With a floppy brush, apply contour color on the side of your nose, starting from the roots of the nose to the tip of your nose to give the illusion of slimmer nose. Then apply the same color on the sides of your face, like this for slimming effect. I apply it also on the sides of my forehead to downsize it. Next is blush. I am using darker shade of blush and placing it directly on my cheekbone and feathering it out to my temple, creating a C shape. Then apply highlights on the high points of your cheekbones. And moving on to the lips. Using lip liner, outline your lip lines. Then apply matte nude lipstick all over your lips. much for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.